Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mission Not So Impossible. This week I'm bringing you some Target deals for the week of January 11th through the 17th. I've got a couple of deals that I'll be doing this week. So first I'm going to be doing a spend 50, save $15. That's the store coupon that I got on my account this week. I know every account is a little bit different. And then secondly, I'm going to be doing when you buy 4 of the select skincare items, you get a $5 gift card. And my account also got a save 15% on your entire purchase. So I'm going to be doing these two on the same receipt. So let's go ahead and get into the deals. So first I'm picking up one of the Snuggle fabric softeners for $7.79. We have a $1.50 coupon, making it $6.29. Next, you want to pick up one of the Persil laundry soap. It's $12.89. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $9.89. Next, I'm picking up one of the Dawn Power Wash refills for $3.99. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1.99. Next, I'm picking up one of the Palmolive dish soaps that are the watermelon scent for $2.79. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $1.79. Next, you want to pick up one of the Finish dishwasher pods. This is the 14 count. It's $4.99. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $2.99. Next, you want to pick up one of the Airwick warmer starter kits for $5.49. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $2.49. Next, you want to pick up one of the Febreze small spaces. They are $3.49. We have a $2.50 coupon, making it 99 cents. Next, you want to pick up one of the Swiffer refill products. I'm picking up these Power Mop heads for $9.99. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $7.99. Next, you want to pick up one of the Kleenex tissue boxes. This one was priced at $6.59. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $5.59. Next, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft toilet paper. It's priced at $4.99. We have a 50-cent coupon, making it $4.49. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $63 plus tax. So then I have that $15 coupon coming off for when you spend $50, and then I have $18.50 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making my total $29.50 plus tax for all 10 items. And I did build this transaction up a little bit higher because I have that 15% off coupon. So I wanted to make sure my total was high enough that that 15% wasn't going to affect the spend 50, save 15. Obviously, if you don't have that percent off coupon, you could take off a few items and get your total closer to $50. So for this deal, I'm picking up one of the Vaseline lotions. It's $3.99. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1.99. Next, I'm picking up one of the Gold Bond lotion for $6.39. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $4.39. Next, I'm picking up one of the Neutrogena Acne Toner. It's $9.79. We have a $3.50 coupon, making it $6.29. Next, I'm picking up one of the Neutrogena Daily Moisturizers for $9.99. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $4.99. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $30.16 plus tax. So then we have $12.50 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $17.66 plus tax for all 4 items. And then you will get back that $5 gift card for when you buy 4 select skincare products this week, so that's going to be some savings for next time. So here's the receipt of everything I was able to pick up today, the coupons that came off, And then I was able to use that spend 50, save $15, as well as the 15% off store-wide coupon. I did use my Target Red card, so that took a little bit off as well, and I did have some reusable bags. In the end, I did use $20 in gift cards, so my total was $20 cheaper. Yours will be $20 higher if you don't have the gift cards. So out of pocket, I paid $16.93, but I'm going to go over the math if you don't have those gift cards. So the total for all of these items before coupons is $94.16 plus tax. So then I had that spend 50, save 15 store coupon, and I had $31 in manufacturer coupons, and then I had that save 15%, which took $11.64 off. So my total was $36.52 plus tax. So I feel really good about that. I did end up using $20 in gift cards, so that took another $20 off. But even $36.52, I feel like is some really good savings. And then I did get back another $5 gift card as well. All right, so that's all that I have for you this week. Hopefully you can kind of take a look at these deals, mix and match, and build a deal that works best for you. Target doesn't always have the most amazing sales, but some weeks it works out and they have some really good coupons and it all kind of stacks together. And this was just one of those weeks for me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. You got those deals. Nah, nah, nah.